Hey everybody, I have to do a little take two here. I started the video and didn't go. But what I went over already before was I ordered a Glock knife. I'm looking for a knife to go on my kit / war belt that could take some abuse. And the Glock war knife was like $30 on Amazon. So the box kind of came a little bunged up, but the knife seems to be in pretty good shape. I got the green version. Opens like this. So this is the tricky part. This is going to be it's not a quick draw. It'll stay in your it'll stay in your kit, which is one of the things I wanted. I didn't want it to flop out. This is the 81 version, has this sawback on it. The 71 version is smooth on the back. The blade feels kind of sharp, but not razor sharp. The coating is nice on the blade. Some good craftsmanship there. Has the sheath clips in here, so there is no snaps or anything. You just push this to the side and undo this to get it around your belt or onto your kit or something, and then it slides back in. The knife holds in with this polymer snap here. My understanding is this polymer sheath is the same material that the Glock pistols are made out of. You also have a little loop there if you needed to tie down to your leg or another piece of equipment or something like that. Probably use some paracord or something for that. Yeah, it feels good. Has the Glock maker's mark on it right there. This looks like all the reviews I've seen. This one seems to be in good shape. Some of the other ones, they said they got it and the tips were bent or whatever. This is supposed to be made out of spring steel, so you could pry with this a little bit and has a little bit of flexibility. It's going to be softer, so easier to sharpen, but won't hold an edge as well. But and then the sheath is ambidextrous, so it doesn't matter which way you put it in, you can put it in both ways, which is nice. So I'm going to monkey around with this and see how I could put it on my kit or belt, and yeah, hopefully that helps.